that is your MC4 or MC4 EVO2 connector coupler. MC4 and MC4 EVO2 connector couplers come in male and female, or plug and socket. But be careful here, because it can get confusing. Keep in mind that the terms plug or male and socket or female refer to the internal interaction of the metal contacts. However, the insulator bodies look exactly the opposite. So when you look at this part, you might think to yourself, that's the plug, because it has the protruding portion. You would think this is the male. However, this is the female or the socket. It's important to understand that this housing is protecting the socket inside. And this, which you might think is the female, is the male. If you take a look inside, you will see it has the plug portion of the coupler. With that in mind, we can proceed. Take your connector coupler, either the plug or the socket, and insert the wire with the crimp contact into it until engaged. A click sound can be heard when engaged correctly. Pull gently on the lead to make sure that the metal contact is securely in place inside the insulator body. You verify the sub-assembly with the test pins. The black test pins are for MC4. The red test pins are for MC4 EVO2. Take the corresponding test pin and insert the appropriate end into the mating face of the insulator. If your sub-assembly was performed correctly, a portion of the white line will be visible. This indicates that the connector is far enough forward to allow for proper mating.